Hello there. Again, folks, I have something very special for you today, an amazing city stacked full of history. But first, I have a favor to ask. We are a new channel here at Scrap Dog Media, and we truly need your support. Every subscription makes a difference. So please take a moment to reach over and click subscribe. It means the world to me and Meritor, and we truly appreciate the support. Okay, and now on to this amazing destination today. A city of whispers and dreams, Prague. The name itself feels like a secret, whispered on the wind. This is a city that seduces the senses and captures the soul. A place where history isn't just something you read about, it's something you feel in the very air you breathe. Cobblestone streets wind through a labyrinth of architectural wonders. Gothic spires pierce the sky, and around every corner, a hidden courtyard or a charming cafe beckons you to discover its secrets. The heart of Prague, a symphony of history and grandeur. This city, with its rich tapestry of history and culture, stands as a testament to the passage of time and the resilience of its people. Our journey begins in the heart of Prague Old Town Square. This square is not just a geographical center, but a cultural and historical hub that has witnessed countless events over the centuries. It's a place that pulsates with life, a vibrant tapestry of locals and visitors alike. Street performers entertain, cafes buzz with conversation, and every corner tells a story. Stand in awe of the astronomical clock, a masterpiece of medieval engineering that has been marking time for centuries. This clock is not just a timepiece, but a symbol of Prague's ingenuity and artistic heritage. Let your gaze wander up the soaring Gothic facade of the Church of Our Lady before Teen, its twin spires a testament to the city's rich religious heritage. This church has stood the test of time, witnessing the ebb and flow of history. And for a bird's-eye view of this architectural symphony, climb the Old Town Hall Tower. Each step you take brings you closer to a panoramic view that is both breathtaking and humbling. From here, the city unfolds beneath you like a living, breathing map. The red rooftops, winding streets, and historic landmarks create a mosaic that tells the story of Prague's past and present. A bridge through time, romance and majesty. The Charles Bridge is not just a structure, it's a living, breathing testament to the history and culture of Prague. No visit to Prague is complete without a stroll across the Charles Bridge. This ancient bridge is a magnet for tourists and locals alike, drawing them in with its timeless charm and historical significance. This iconic bridge, dating back to the 14th century, is more than just a way to cross the Vltava River. It stands as a symbol of Prague's rich heritage and architectural brilliance. It's a journey through time. Each step you take on its cobblestones is a step back into history, where every stone has a story to tell. As you walk across its cobblestones, imagine the countless feet that have tread this path before you. Kings and queens, merchants and artists, lovers and dreamers. The bridge has witnessed centuries of human experience, from grand processions to quiet moments of reflection. Pause to admire the intricate statues that line the bridge, each one a work of art in its own right. These statues, depicting saints and historical figures, add to the bridge's mystical allure and tell tales of faith, power, and artistry. And don't forget to soak in the breathtaking views of Prague Castle, its majestic silhouette rising above the city's skyline. The castle, with its spires and towers, looks especially enchanting at night, illuminated against the dark sky, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Shadows of the past, echoes of resilience. Our exploration takes us next to the Jewish Quarter, a place where history casts a long shadow. This neighborhood, once a thriving center of Jewish life, bears witness to both the triumphs and tragedies of the past. Visit the old Jewish cemetery, its weathered tombstones huddled together like silent sentinels. Step inside the hauntingly beautiful Spanish synagogue with its intricate Moorish designs, and pay your respects at the Pinka Synagogue, now a moving memorial to the victims of the Holocaust. Here, amidst the echoes of sorrow, we find a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. Unveiling Prague's hidden treasures. While Prague's iconic landmarks, like the Charles Bridge and Old Town Square, are a sight to behold, the city's true magic often lies hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered by those willing to explore beyond the usual tourist spots. Venture off the beaten path and discover the charm of Petřín Hill, a verdant escape that offers a refreshing break from the bustling city streets. Here, you can wander through lush gardens, enjoy a peaceful hike, and find hidden corners that offer solitude and beauty. Take a funicular ride to the top and climb the lookout tower for panoramic views that will take your breath away. From this vantage point, you can see the entire city spread out before you with its red rooftops, historic buildings, and winding river creating a picturesque scene. Stumble upon the Lenin Wall, a colorful testament to peace and freedom, where messages of hope and love cover every inch of its surface. This ever-changing canvas is a symbol of the city's vibrant spirit and its commitment to artistic expression and social change, and lose yourself in the tranquility of Kampa Island, a peaceful oasis in the heart of the city. Here, you can stroll along the Chertovka Canal, known as the Devil's Stream, and soak in the bohemian atmosphere. The island's serene parks and charming streets offer a perfect retreat for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, providing a space to relax and reflect. A feast for the senses, culinary delights and local flavors. Prague is a feast for the senses, and, well, no culinary journey would be complete without sampling the local delicacies. Indulge in traditional Czech dishes like trdelník, a chimney cake dusted with sugar and cinnamon, or savor the hearty flavors of goulash, a rich stew perfect for a chilly evening. And of course, no trip to Prague is complete without experiencing its legendary beer culture. Raise a glass of Pilsner Urquell, the city's most famous export, in one of the many traditional beer gardens, or explore the burgeoning craft beer scene in its cozy pubs. When night paints the city gold, as dusk descends, Prague undergoes a magical transformation. The city lights twinkle to life, casting a golden glow on the architectural wonders. The Charles Bridge, bathed in soft illumination, becomes even more romantic, its silhouette reflected in the dark waters of the Vltava. Prague Castle, perched high above the city, sparkles like a fairy tale fortress, and the city's nightlife comes alive with jazz clubs, traditional pubs, and trendy bars, offering a taste of Prague's vibrant after-dark scene. Prague is a city that stays with you long after you've said goodbye. It's a tapestry woven from history, beauty, and a certain indescribable magic. So come, wander its cobblestone streets, get lost in its ancient alleyways, and discover the secrets that lie hidden in plain sight. Prague is waiting to welcome you with open arms and a heart full of stories. Join the adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Every subscriber is important to us, and by subscribing, you will become part of the Scrap Dog family. So please subscribe and click that bell icon so you'll be informed of our next videos to come. Stay safe always, and happy travels. God bless you all.